It was fall, and now it
is.
fell back
You
to
know what?
South
It is
Texas.
what it is. Yeah, first we are going to start. This is pretty important. Minor coastal flooding is anticipated once again today. I will say Baa Baa Pier, so right along the beach, high tide is going to be after this advisory is expected to expire. I would expect the National Weather Service extends this advisory possibly into the next coming days because our wave action is going to pick up. The longer period between the waves will likely push more water onshore. We may get a northerly wind, which also kind of adds to a push thanks to Coriolis force. So if the wind action is going downshore, the force that pushes the water is to the right of that wind, lower in the ocean or in the Gulf of Mexico. So right at the surface, the water will be moving downshore, which creates a dangerous downshore current. And then underneath the surface, the water's pushing to the right of where that wind is or where that current is setting up. And that can push more water onshore as well. But needless to say, we're still in a coastal flood advisory today. I expect that to be extended into this weekend. Right now, here's a look at our radar where we do have some rain showers shaping up across the brush country. So 281, most of this activity is to the west of there, but right along 281 and also Highway 59 through Freer may see some spotty showers. That's the best chance for some rain through the morning, but this moisture is coming on shore and I expect more rain as we head into the late morning and early afternoon. So some patchy fog if you're not seeing some rain, also some isolated rain out there early this morning. 86 degrees around 2 p.m. It will be a warm and muggy day. In fact, heat index value is actually back in the 90s, so it is going to feel blah out there. Thursday and Friday, our winds are breezy out of the east-southeast. Then we see a shift to the north. That is going to be a cold front that kind of stalls over the coastal bend. With that front, there is a chance for some rain today, tomorrow, and Saturday as we're still in the warm, humid section ahead of that front. We are also watching closely Rafael. What's it going to do in the Gulf of Mexico? It's definitely moving west. So we're going to have a westward movement of this system, likely starting to weaken as we head into Sunday, Monday, because of the cold front that moves through South Texas. Now, this front isn't overly strong. It's a Pacific front. It's not tapping into that Arctic air. But what it is going to do, keep us with a chance of rain, and it's going to work to pull Rafael apart and possibly steer it either north or south. There's still a lot of uncertainties in that forecast. Oh, by the way, there's another front possible Wednesday into Thursday of next week. So we'll be keeping an eye on that as well. But the bigger impacts from Rafael locally is going to be our rip current risk, like I mentioned, wave action picking up, especially on Saturday, but also on Friday. Here's the latest on Rafael. Category 2 hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico will be moving west, and then there's the split. You can see this here. Models still in a big disagreement, but Texas not in the path of any of those models because of wind shear. And that's because of the cold front that will be making its way and through the area and stalling over the weekend. We do see sunshine returning by Monday and Tuesday. Overall, temperatures stay hot. Barbie, John Thomas.